Okay, so I already got one of the plastic pieces notched here so that I can actually access these holes. Not really a big deal since when I actually do the door, this will be completely covered up anyway. So what we'll do is just keep moving on. So I'm going to do this one. It's just a bit to notch, so I'm literally just going to bring it out to that corner. So, and all I'm doing is using a X-Acto knife and just heating it with the torch to kind of cut the plastic. Okay, we got a lot of cleaning up to do here, but we at least got everything bolted up, everything fits. So like I said, the door is going to cover most of this anyway, and that's not really a big deal. So then there's going to be the plastic cover over there. Okay, so now we're good to go. The solid section's done, except it needs to be plated, but we're going to do that after we get the hinges welded on, obviously. So next step will just be we're going to start forming up the door. I'm just trying to think. It might just be easier and quicker if I just cut each piece and then tack it up. I'm gonna sleep on that. First time at 10 a.m. Okay, here we go. So this will be the door frame. So I'm just gonna tack this top bar up, and then we'll get to welding it. Okay, we'll just do a quick overview where we're at. So like I said, that side is done, except the hinge. And I'm just working away on this side now. I don't know if I put it in earlier, but I originally tried to build this out of one piece, fucked up the bends. So I managed to salvage most of this piece to make it work. So just tacking that up now, and I'll keep working on that. So, and yeah, this side's all tacked up and good. So what I'll do is, tonight my buddy's coming over and we're going to get the hinges put on and then test it out. So we'll, yeah, I'll put the footage in now of us doing that. And then once the hinge is done on this one, then yeah, I still got to build the other one. So we'll keep doing that, do the hinges, and then hopefully that'll be done this week. And then I can get to work on figuring out the latches. Okay, I'm not really sure again where we left off before, but what we'll do is just kind of go over where we're at right now. So I just cleaned up the doors, hit it with the grinder, and this side, so they're all nice and clean, they swing good, and yeah, these you just pull off. So what I'll probably do is weld up just some sort of little bit of plate right here, so that when it's closed and we're bouncing around, to make sure that the door itself can't bounce off, but you just have to open it to remove the door then, if I ever want to run without the doors. So I got the fronts mocked up to the correct height, and we're going to start with this one. So again, level, correct height, just matched it up right off this piece, same as I did for the doors. And I already cut the first piece, so we're just going to tack that on, and then we will just continue on as we did with the other doors, following this line and going up. And then we'll mount the actual hinge. So yeah, once we get these two done, hinges on the door frames just like what we have here, then I can actually start working on the latches, just because the latches I have, I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not really sure. We're just kind of winging it as we go. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. Send it. Bang on. Bang on. Okay, so we're finally done. I got my buddy came over, welded up the hinges. So here we go. So the fronts are now done just like the rears. Like I showed before, the rears. Now we got the fronts. So perfect. Sorry, like I was saying, it's the perfect height actually when you're sitting in here. So we're in the machine. So we'll close it here. There'll be a latch obviously. And then perfect height to rest your arm. So yeah, that's it right now. So this will be my part 3 update video on the doors. Next steps will be doing the latch. So I have the latches. I just need to figure out what the strike plate's going to look like pretty much, and how I'm going to mount that inside the unit. So once I have that done, then I can sheet metal it all. I'll probably cross brace it. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.